today, and then he's back behind me, but he's very play, and we're gonna see him on the show. Bye-bye.
Jack, you gonna go to work? Mom. Come here, Jack. Bring it here. Bring it here. Come on. Mama.
That was Jack Atkins, and we'll see you we'll see you tomorrow at night. So don't forget, we're gonna see you at 5, like right this minute tomorrow.